Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope that you all are doing really well at your place. Today we will study social studies of class 5. And today we will start a new lesson. The name of our lesson is Kinds of Maps and Scales. In this lesson we will discuss the types of maps, the kinds of maps and scales. First of all, take out your social studies books and open up page number 50. Do you know what is a map? Yes, a map is a graphical description. What is a map? A map is a graphical description of specific area of land. Basically, a map is a graphical representation or description of specific area of land. What do maps do? Maps describe the areas. Maps describe the key features of an area. There are many types of maps. Do you know this thing? There are many types of maps. Some have physical features of a place, while others show the distribution of human population throughout the country. So there are many types of maps. Can you name these maps? Look at this first picture, which is showing the pictures of animals. This is a picture map. What is this? This is a picture map. Write down picture map in this box. Now look at the second picture. Which map is this? This is a political map. This is a political map. Okay, now moving towards the last one. This is a relief map. What is this known as? This is a relief map. Now let's discuss globe. Do you know that Earth is a spherical ball? Earth is spherical in shape like a ball. Our Earth is in the shape of a ball. A map cannot represent its actual shape. So we use a globe which shows a 3D representation. Look at the picture of a globe. Reading a map. Directions. How can we read a map? We need to know the directions on a map. A map uses a tool to show directions, which is called a compass rose. Look at the picture. Yes, this is a compass rose. A map uses a tool to show directions, which is called a compass rose. The compass rose which shows the direction, these directions are north, south, east and west. Some compass roses also show intermediate directions like southeast, southwest, northeast, northwest. Maps have a compass rose or an arrow marked with N at the top. The compass rose shows the general directions of the north. Okay, note down your homework class. Make title page of lesson 8, read page number 50 and do page number 50 in book. Till then, thank you. Allah Hafiz.